a damn nitrous car. Somebody give me a damn turbo. Oh, what's that? You giving away another turbo this year? Every entry. Oh, damn. Every item in a past collection tab is double entry to enter to win this badass TDI. Not your Volkswagen TDI either. Turbo. It's muffin cap peeling, high horsepower screaming machine right here. Probably can't see my face because my dreads are in my hair. I mean, my face. God.
All right, guys, you heard it here first. TDI Turbo giveaway going on right now. It is live. Go down to lsnasty.com where Phil told you to go. Everything that is under the past collections tab is double entry until they're just wiped out. So there's limited quantity. Get them before they're gone. Everything else on the site counts as an entry. So you buy a shirt, that's an entry. You buy a hat, that's an entry. And you know, you
go to the past collections, buy everything, so everybody has to buy 2 items of everything else.
Just to get the same amount.
Just to get the same amount of entries.
That thing's a unit, by the way. It's a brand spanking new TDI 85mm turbo. It's 8596. That thing right there is a true muffin cap peeler. I said, if you get it, everyone in your town's gonna be wearing eye patches because you're just gonna be poking everyone's eye out. I mean, that's just how it is.
Jason's about to be wearing 2 eye patches because guess what?
What?
He's selling this Honda to build an LS car.
Oh, LS cars to the... All right, y'all, very important announcement before we really get rolling today's video. First link in the description below is actually going to be a link to a YouTube video of the guys over at Blazing High Performance. They got my Caprice all done. It is badass. I'm still waiting on a couple parts. Cold air intake, long tube headers, and exhaust. They haven't come in yet, but they did the cam and everything, so it's on stock intake, stock headers, and stock exhaust. So it doesn't sound crazy, but they got it all done, and I'm actually going to pick it up here shortly. But go over and check those guys out. It'll be the first link in the description below, so you can see them working on the Caprice. They did the cam swap to it. They did a DOD delete. They did a bunch of work. They dropped the whole engine out the bottom. Absolutely killer job. They knocked it out of the park. So go show them some love. Check them out. Go follow them. And you'll see more videos of them street tuning it and doing a bunch more stuff to this Caprice in the future. All right, well, now that we got Phil over here and you guys know about the giveaway, go down to lsnasty.com. It's the first link in the description below. And get also, we got a brand new shirt, which is badass. It says lock in or go home.
Oh, damn.
This is what we're trying to do this year. We're trying to lock in or go home. We're going to do one of the two.
We're probably going to be doing a lot of going home.
A lot of going home. All right. We got Phil over here, and Phil's actually trying to work on his own stuff today, but I said no.
I'm not trying to work on my own stuff. I'm trying to work on customer stuff and try to figure out how to do my own giveaway.
Am I a customer? Am I a customer? Am I a customer to you, Phil? No?
No.
Look at that. Look at this. Let me zoom from here.
Hey, you know, like when you run a shop and a customer brings you a car and you're like, and they're like, yeah, I tried to fix it myself, and then they bring it to you because they already done fucked it up.
Dude, take it back. Take it back right now. Dude, it might not be pretty, but it's structural. Yeah, you can stand on that thing.
It's got a pound of filler rod in it.
Wow. Wow. All right. I need your help.
All right.
So.
Are you having trouble getting 2 pipes of meat this time?
Yeah, so that's the problem. Hold on. I lost the damn. All right. This. There. This.
It's not an issue.
For me, that's an issue. That's tough. So how do you go about it? Tell people how you go about it.
You gotta come out straight, and then the cut that you make on this one will just be at a slight angle. So it's the things that you hate, pie cuts. But it's not technically a pie cut. It's just an angled cut.
I can't do that. I can't make 2 pipes.
Well, if you would have waited, because this flange isn't leveled, it's at an angle. So
what are you talking about?
This flange is at an angle now.
What are you talking about?
The flange, this flange,
dude,
is not straight.
I put that bitch on it. It is actually 100% level. The truck might not be level. That's another thing.
That thing's fucked up because it's not straight.
All right, my question is, it's got to be tacked up with a little bit of bow in it. So we tack it with a little bit of bow in it, and then we can. I mean, dude, look, I didn't warp that flange. I welded that out, and I didn't warp it.
It's a little warped, but okay.
That's what bolts are for, Phil. That's what bolts are for. Is that an exhaust leak?
Turbo's gonna be like this.
Is that an exhaust leak?
Yeah, waiting to happen.
All right. You're in charge now for today, because I couldn't do this, and I have one wastegate.
Oh yeah, so we did say I was gonna weld one side, and you're gonna weld the other.
So now it's your time to shine.
Yeah.
All right, we're back here at Ebony and Ivory Fabrications.
Black Phil Fabrication with a little bit of Ebony and Ivory Fabrication here. Phil's just hammering out his side. You got the easy side. I did all the hard work. You got the easy side. You got... This
I have
is...
to make 2 pieces of pipe meet because you didn't...
Hold on, is it M-E-E-T or M-E-A-T?
M-E-A-T.
You gotta make the meat?
Yeah. I have to dock them.
Alright, so he's got the flange tacked up with the, just the 90, the uncut 90. So as you can see, he's got tack on it. And it's close. It's about, it needs to be about that long. So just about halfway through the nail there. So right there.
I don't think you understand how this works.
Cut that and see how close it is.
You know, we got a lot of pipe to waste, so
Wow, you know what?
it's not my money.
How's that? You beat me to it.
Budget. Budget.
So, this is a little bit challenging here, making these two connect. I'd say the angle is pretty good, but you're still gonna have one. It's not like 2 straight cuts. It's gonna have to be angled, or you're gonna have a massive gap and try to fill it in like I did over here. But once we get that done, Phil, where are you putting wastegates on this son of a gun here? You can put like one here and like one here.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you comfortable doing that? Do you have a VS Racing 44
Or
wastegate?
we can put it in the back housing, like
No,
every
no,
other
no,
retargeting plant.
not doing that.
You could literally put one here.
You just have it blow down on this.
No, I mean.
I say we have them come out the hood.
No,
Yeah.
no, I'm not. No, I don't run dump tubes on my wastegates. I let them vent atmospherically. This one you can.
We're
put
still
right
making
here.
it vent atmospherically with a tube on it.
Yeah, I understand that, but I don't want a tube. I just want that thing just to blow everywhere.
We'll just make it blow in the back housing.
Make it blow right on the fuel line.
Say less. Oh God, forgot. Don't weld over here. We gotta. I shook the car and a fuel line fell and it was full of meth. And all these people with no teeth came running in the shop like, oh, no, it's not. It's the other kind of meth.
Not the meth down the road.
If this fits right out the box, one try, this is the new form of measurement around here. God, that's crooked as shit.
It's not crooked.
Well, you're giving them something crooked to line.
Show again. My measurement was off.
Actually, no. Spin it around because there is a slight angle in there.
Spinning around. It's a half inch too long.
Force it to fit.
Other than that, though, I mean, dude, we're cooking with peanut oil. Wes got these studs for his turbos, which I think I'm gonna get, which I think is pretty nice. So we're gonna. I think I'm gonna get a stud instead of a just a bolt.
It turned out pretty nice, John.
It's looking alright right now. I should go get the wastegate here. Let me go get the wastegate. We'll look at wastegate positioning.
The stuff you use to make the zoomies with, you can use on that.
I don't have any of it. I gave it all away.
Wow, well, you're an idiot. That was me.
We'll get it back Wednesday. Alright, look at that. Pow! And this one will be like this.
Oh,
Just blowing hot ass air on the backside.
it will not hurt it at all.
That's gonna look stupid as hell. We need to get a piece of 2-inch pipe and have it come up here and then hang this heavy ass wastegate unsupported off this 2-inch pipe right here, so it'll break.
It won't break.
That's good right there.
Phil says with his fabrication,
can I
it will
have
not
one
stick.
really close to the merge and one kind of far away from it? Or they both got to be like the same distance? No, they don't have to. I could put one right here, straight through, and the other one right there.
Or put them both.
Well, I can't put
One
it.
in a straight, one in a straight.
You want them. You generally want them in like a downstream area so the air will flow into them, or close to the merge where a lot of pressure gets built up. So you don't want to put it like just in a straight right here, because then the air will just flow by it. But that right there, we might be onto something there, folks. As long as I don't stick out the grill, that'll look stupid. I can kind of get down with that. I need to order another one of these. Make a Facebook post, see if anyone's got one locally, because I'd like to have it stay. I don't know that other side, It's got heat on it though, I told you that.
Alright, Phil, give us an illustration on your madness here.
Well, the flange and this piece of pipe's on 2 different planes, so
We're saying it ain't gonna fit.
yeah, I mean,
Perfect, right there.
no, it's not.
Just make it work.
Are you saying somebody got a little excited?
Yes.
You have that on them big jobs, won't you?
Yeah, you'll have that on these big jobs.
Going for a little rough in here.
More rough than anything.
Nothing too major, right, Phil?
I just wanted to put this out there. There's nothing I can do about that gap.
Ho ho ho! Phil, looking good. Damn, this turbo kit's kind of nice though. Turbo kit's kind of nice though. Phil brought his A game. Damn it, boy.
Damn, this one is fucking hefty. Alright, you folks at home, get off your ass, go to lsnasty.com, pick up a piece of merchandise, get your chance to win this beautiful turbo here. This one has not been finger banged by my hand yet, but good chance. Might get it on the casting couch a little bit later. Don't forget lsnasty.com. First link below.
If you understand, you know.